Hello guys, I am Kim Marco Aralbeza and I'm with Ed Christian Edirango and we are your presenters in this task. In adherence to our performance task in statistics and probability, we are tasked to give an example for the elements of the population, constructing the sampling distribution of the sample means, and finally solving for the mean and variance of the problem. In finding the mean and variance, a step-by-step process is needed. So we have here the problem. Marco's father gives two pairs of shoes to his family. The family members' shoe sizes are as follows. Marco's mother wears size of 41, his brother wears size of 43, Marco himself wears size of 42, his sister wears size of 40, and his younger brother wears size of 38. Calculate the mean and variance of the shoe sizes within Marco's family. So, we can determine here that the elements of the population are the shoe sizes of Marco's family, which is Marco's mother is size 41, his brother is size 43, Marco himself is size 42, his sister wears size of 40, and his younger brother is size 38. The first step is to determine the number of possible sample size of 2, or n is equals to 2. We can determine it by using the combination formula, which is NCN, where the big letter N is the population, which is the total number of the family, and small letter n is the sample size, which is the number of shoes that is to be given by Marco's father. So we have 5C2, or 5 combination of 2 equals 10. Therefore, there are 10 possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn. The second step is to list all the possible samples and solve for the sample means. In solving for each sample means, we simply add two numbers and divide it by the sample size, which is 2. For example, the sum of 43 and 42 is equals to 48 is divided by 2 and we get 42.5. Repeat the process, the same goes with the following. The third step is to construct the sampling distribution of the sample means. In the first column, we have here the list of all the sample means, and in the second column, we find the frequency of each sample means. The frequency determines how many times did the sample mean occur. Say for example, the sample mean 40.5 occurred 2 times. Therefore, we also put 2 in the frequency. While on the third column, it shows the probability of the sample mean. In solving for the probability, we simply divide the frequency by the total number of the possible sample size, which is 10. The final step in solving for the mean is to multiply the sample mean and the probability. Once we get all the product, it is now time to sum it all up to finally get the mean. Therefore, the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean is 40.8. An alternative in solving for the mean is to use the formula, which is the sum of all values in the given data or population divided by a total number of values in the given data or population. By applying this, it can save you from consuming a lot of time in constructing a table just by doing the process one by one.
Let us now proceed to computing the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample means. Now that we have the population mean, we can now solve for the variance. First, we must subtract the population mean from the sample mean in order to get the results in the third column. For example, our population mean was 40.8. If we subtract it to 39, we get negative 1.8. Same goes with the following. Next is we simply need to square the results we got in the third column to get the results for the fourth column. After getting the square, we need to multiply the probability of the sample mean with the results we got in the fourth column. Finally, after getting the product, we simply need to add it all up to get the variance. Therefore, the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample mean is 1.11. Once again, I am Ed Christian A. Darango, together with Kim Marco R. Albeza, your presenter for this task. Thank you for watching and have a good day.